legal compliance and reporting. NetSuite also provides, financial report according to the localized, for example, audit file, East European country sales list intrastat report. You have also country-specific statutory report packs. So when you are installing for example, if France localization, I will have a pack on France with all the reporting. I'm going to show you on the demo later. And on top of that, you have the pre-built local financial, the balance sheet, the P&L, and the cash flow. So these standard reports you can easily customize to meet your local statutory report.